Giggles! English! Giggles!
What's wrong? English conversation. At the hospital. What's wrong?
What's wrong?
I have a cough, a runny nose, and a sore throat.
Do you have a fever?
A little. Achoo! Achoo!
You have a cold. Take this medicine 3 times a day after meals.
Thank you, doctor.
What's wrong? I have a sore leg. The X-ray shows you have a broken leg. You need a cast and some crutches. Thank you, doctor.
What's wrong?
I have itchy eyes and I keep sneezing.
Sneezing and itchy eyes? You have allergies. Here are eye drops and allergy medicine.
Oh, thank you, doctor.
What's wrong?
My baby has a fever and earache.
She has an ear infection. Give her this medicine after meals.
Thank you, doctor. See you next time.
Giggles!